Good morning, students. How are you? Students, you are going to complete your chapter number 5, that is shapes. Now, students, shapes are very well known to you. Now, today, we will cut a cardboard in different shapes and we will make a very beautiful and attractive hanging. So, let's start. Look students, the things which we need to make a hanging. First of all, a cardboard, scissors, glue, thread, a pencil, a scale, some colored papers, and in the last, to make a circle, bangle of your mother. Now come dear students, let's cut this cardboard in different shapes. See students, with the help of bangle, I have cut the cardboard in circle, and with the help of pencil and scale, I have cut it into triangle, square and rectangle. Now let's start to make a beautiful hanging. Now we will paste these colored papers on these shapes with the help of glue. Dear students, I have pasted colored papers on the shapes. Now we will thread it with the help of this strong thread by pasting it on its back side. Okay students, with the help of glue. Now see, first of all we will put these shapes backwardly and now we will put thread on its back side. Now we will paste it with glue. You can use tape also. We will put this in this way. See students. Students, we have attached these shapes with the help of strong thread. We have pasted papers on its back side to hold it tightly. Now applied colored papers on its back side also. Look students, I have pasted colored papers on its both sides. Now let's decorate it with some other things. See students, I am making its beautiful eyes with bindis. Look how beautiful it is. Yes, now make its smile with the help of bindis. I have made beautiful smile with the help of bindis. See students, it is very beautiful. Now where is its nose? See here. Here is the nose. Look students. Dear students, our hanging is ready. Now you will also try this at your home. You will cut different shapes and make beautiful hangings like this. Okay, students.